Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we're making something super comforting, simple but absolutely packed with flavor as usual. You already know we are grilling a whole chicken. Yes, the entire chicken, and I'll show you how to get that juicy smoky herby taste without stress. Trust me, once you try it this way you might not go back. But first, let's duck into the garden real quick because we are picking our own fresh herbs. And yes, this makes a big difference in flavor. You can always buy your fresh herbs from the store as well, or if not, you can use the dry ones. So here is what I'm picking today: fresh basil, parsley, and sage, chives, and then rosemary. This is a classic for grilled meats, and that's it. Rosemary and grilling is like 5 and 6. They go hand in hand. They go together. So these herbs are going to form the base of our marinade. Fresh herbs, they're honestly game changers. They add real depth and a clean aromatic flavor, and it's better for me. I prefer it to dried herbs. You cannot just match it, to be honest. Anyway, sorry for all the long story. It's time for chicken. I'm eating a whole chicken because we want that full flavor. Now I'm going to cut it into halves because my air fryer isn't big enough for the full bird. I want it to cook evenly, okay? Now, cutting it up like this also helps to cook more evenly and faster. Before we marinate, let's score the chicken. Just deep cut into the flesh, especially around the thickest parts. This helps the marinade to seep right in, so every bite is juicy and well seasoned. Let's build this flavor bomb. Into a blender, add some onion, bell peppers, garlic and ginger, green onions, and all those fresh herbs we picked earlier. Some tomatoes, drizzle some olive oil into that because this will help the marinade to coat the chicken nicely. And then salt. Then your spices, you can add your choice of seasoning cubes, smoked paprika, and pepper because we love heat here. We love the heat, okay? Now you can adjust the pepper based on how hot you want it. I like mine to have a gentle kick. Sometimes I want it hot. Now blend everything until smooth and just look at that color. It's already screaming flavor. Now pop your chicken into a bowl or a pan. Pour over all that heavy marinade. Don't be shy. Let it reach every corner. Now use your hands and massage that in. Get into all those cuts you made earlier. That's how the flavor gets all the way to the bone. And once that's done, cover the chicken with cling film and refrigerate it. If you've got time, leave it overnight. That's the best way. But even if a few hours, it makes a big difference, to be honest. The longer it sits, the more those herbs and spices infuse the meat. Okay, now it's time to cook. I'm starting with one half of the chicken. We'll save the other one for later. Now pop that into your air fryer. Set to 180 degrees and use the grill or air frying function. I like to start with the air fry and finish with the grill function. That gives it that crispy golden skin while locking in the moisture. Remember to flip the chicken halfway. This helps it to cook evenly and all good for all the sides. Now look at that chicken. Golden, crispy, juicy. This chicken is doing things so. It's doing things so. Now check if the thickest part is cooked through. If not, just give it a few more minutes. Now let's not waste that leftover marinade and the juice that was left in the pan. This is pure gold. Pour it into a pot, add a bit more green marinade. That's if you want it, okay? It's your choice. Now cook it down into a thick, heavy green sauce. You can use this to drizzle over the chicken, or you can leave it as a dip. And now it's time to serve. Look at this beauty. Crispy golden skin, juicy on the inside, and it's just packed with that deep herby flavor. I'm serving mine with some homemade chips, but feel free to go with rice, plantains, couscous, or fresh salad, whatever you decide to be your sides. And don't forget that heavy green sauce. It just ties everything together. And there you have it, lovelies. My easy grilled whole chicken with fresh herbs and that banging green sauce. Tell me you're not already planning to make this. If you do try it, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for cooking with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye.